Hi, good morning, boys and girls. Today we are on 11.3. Make new three-dimensional shapes. Essential question. How can you use a combined shape to build new shapes? Well, let me show you how to do it. Listen and draw. Draw to copy the shape. Now we are going to copy this shape. I'm going to show you how to do it. First, I will draw a big rectangle. I will make two long lines and two short lines. Then I will draw a square on top of the rectangle. I will make sure all sizes are equal in length. Then I will draw short lines. Make sure this one is parallel with this one. Then I will draw the lines on the side. Boys and girls, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can ask adults at home to help you, or you can just try your best to draw the shape. Done! Now we can turn to the next page. Circle a new shape you can make. Explain why you cannot make the other shape. Well, I look at this shape, and it is made by a cube and a cylinder. When I turn these two shapes upside down, and put them side by side together, I can make a new shape which looks just like this one. So these blocks did not make this shape because the cubes and the cylinders are not stacked together. They are put side by side instead. Now let's move on to other questions. Use three-dimensional shapes. Build and repeat. Repeat means that you need to build another shape just like the first one. Combine. Which new shape can you make? Circle it. I will flip this shape from the left to the right. And then I will put them together. I found that they make a new shape which looks like this one. So I will circle this shape. Number 2. I see a cone sitting on top of a cube. So I will repeat the shape by stacking a cone on a cube. When I put these two shapes side by side, I made a new shape which looks exactly like this shape. Wow, how does this shape not like the shape on the left? It is because this shape is made by cones and cylinders, whereas the shape on the left is made by cones and cubes. Do you see the difference? Let's move to number 3. This shape is made by a cube and a rectangular prism. They are put together side by side. So I will use a cube and a rectangular prism to make a new shape, which looks just like this one. When I turn the shape and put these two shapes side by side together, I create a new shape which looks just like this shape. So boys and girls, do you remember our question? How can you use a combined shape to build new shapes? Yes, you can stack the shapes together, or you can combine shapes side by side to make new shapes. Let's turn to page 647. You will complete this page on your own. You need to read the directions before you answer the questions. You will answer question 4, 5, 6, and 7 by yourself. For question number 6, after you build and repeat this shape, you will combine these two shapes together to make a new shape. You can flip this shape from left to the right and then put them together. Try to find out which one of these new shapes you can create by using these two shapes. Alright? Okay, at the bottom of the page, this question asks you how many cubes are used to make the shape. That means this one. To answer the question, you will count all the cubes and write the total number of cubes here that made the shape. For example, you can count like this: 1, 2, 3, and then you count the rest. Alright, put the number here. Once you finish writing all the answers on this page, you can turn to the next page. Complete all the questions on the mid-chapter checkpoint. When you finish, you can turn to the homework page on page 649 and 650. I hope you have fun. See you next time. Bye.